Hello? Hello,
Hello,
RK. Hi. Hello, RK. How are you?
good teacher.
Okay. So, before we start, okay, let's have a times table. Multiplication table. Okay, so this time you need to do the skip counting. Okay? Are you ready, RK?
Okay,
Okay. Let's start by skip counting by two. Keep counting by twos, RK. Go.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18, 20,
Okay, very good. Okay, next. How about three?
3, 6, 12, 12, no, 15, 18, 21, 24, 30,
Skip 3 times 9. What is 3 times 9?
28,
3 times 9.
27,
Okay. 7 and 3 times 10 equals?
30,
Okay. 3 times 10 equals 30. Next. How about 4? Skip counting by 4. 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 28, 30, 36, 2, 36,
36. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7. What is 4 times 7? 20.
28,
Okay. 28. Next. 4 times 8.
32,
Okay, good. Next. 4 times 9.
4 times 9,
Yeah. Times 9.
36,
And 4 times 10.
40,
Okay, very good. How about skip counting by 5? Okay, 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 45, 50, 55,
We already done.
60,
Until 50 lang. Okay. Okay, so 5 times 10. Until 10. So 5 times 10 equals 50. On next. 6. Okay, skip counting by 6. Are you ready, RK?
yeah,
Okay, so we now start 6.
6, 12,
6, 12.
22,
What is 6 times 3?
16,
Your last number, 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 6, what is 12 plus
18,
6? So that's the answer in 6 times 3, okay? 6 times 3 equals 18. Okay, next. 6 times 4. So you need to add 18 plus 6. What is 18 plus 6? What is the answer? 4, 6 times 4. What is 6 times 4? RK.
14.
Your last number is 18, right? What is 18 plus 4? Oh, 18 plus 6.
22.
Hmm? Oh, 19. Oh, look at the screen. RK. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20.
4.
Mm-hmm. So that is the answer in 6 times 4. Again, what is 6 times 4? 20.
24.
Okay, 6 times 4 equals 24. Next, what is 6 times 5? What is 24 plus 6? That's the answer in 6 times 5. 6 times 5, RK.
30.
Yes, very good. 30. Next, 6 times 6. 6 times 6. 6 times 6. 6 times 6.
42.
6 times 6, 30. 30.
42.
30. 30 plus 6. What is 30 plus 6? 30. 30 plus 6. RK. 30 plus 6.
Mm, 30.
Hmm, Continue. 30.
34.
30 plus 6. 30 plus 6. That is 30.
6.
36. Okay, next. 6 times 7. 6 times 7. RK. What is 36 plus 6? 36 plus 6. 6 plus 6. RK. 36 plus 6. It's 40.
40. 41.
41 or 42?
42.
Okay, so that is 42. Next. 6 times 8. 42 plus 6. That's the answer for 6 times 8. Okay, what's the answer? 6 times 8.
38.
48. Okay. Is it 48?
48.
Okay, 48. Next, 6 times 9. 6 times 9. What is 48 plus 6?
53.
Hmm? Almost.
54.
Okay, so that is 54. And last, 6 times 10. What is 6 times 10, RK? 6 times 10.
60.
Okay, 60. Okay, now, for 7 to 10, okay. So give me the product, okay? Can you see my screen, RK? RK, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, now, give me the product. What is 7 times 3? 7 times 3, RK?
Anyone?
Okay, 21. Next, 7 times 7. 7 times 7, RK?
42.
42, that's for 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. How about 7 times 7?
48.
It's not 48. 42 plus 7. What is 42 plus 7? 42 plus 7, RK?
48.
Mm-hmm. Again, it's 48. Again, it's not 48. 42 plus 7. It's not 48. 42 plus 7. Or you can use your fingers to count.
50.
Oop, 42 plus 7. Oh, look. Look. This is how you use your fingers to count. So, the last number is 42. So, you need to add 7. So, start at 43. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And what is the last number? That is top in number 7.
51.
Okay.
No,
So the answer is
15.
9. Okay. 7 times 7 equals 49.
50,
Hmm. Again, it's 49.
49.
Okay. 7 times 6 is 42. So when you add another 7, so the answer is 49. Now, what is 7 times 9? 7 times 9.
53.
Again, what's your answer? RK?
53.
Okay, 63. Next, what is 8 times 2? RK.
16.
Okay, 16. Next, 8 times 5.
40.
Next, 8 times 7. How about 8 times 7?
56.
How about 8 times 9?
72.
Okay, next, 9 times 5. 9 times 5.
45.
Okay, next, 9 times 9. 9 times 9. This 9 times 9. RK.
81.
You you see the answer, right? 84. Okay, next. What is 9 times 4?
36.
Okay, 36. How about 9 times 8? 9 times 8? RK.
72.
Mhm. Look at 9 times 7. The answer is 63. How about 9 times 8? What is 63 plus 9?
72.
Okay, so the answer is 72. Okay, you just keep counting by 10.
Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
You skip 9 times that. You skip 10 times 9. What is 10 times 9? 10
90.
times. Okay. Okay, so let's have. Hmm. Okay, wait. Okay. So you need to find the missing number. Okay. Wait, I will share my screen. Can you see my screen? RK?
Yeah.
Okay, so multiplication tables 2 to 10 practice. So find the missing number. Okay, now number 1. 5 times blank equals 15. What is the missing number? Okay. What number you multiply by 5 to get the product of 15?
3.
Okay, very good. 3. Okay, very good. Okay, number 2. 9 times 6. So now, what is the product? 9 times 6 equals 9 times 6.
33.
Mm-hmm. Not 33. 9 times 6. You can do the skip count. 9 times 6 equals 9 times 6.
63.
Mm-hmm. Not 63. Before 63, what's the answer? Because 63 is 9 times 7. Before 63, what's the answer? 9 times 6 equals 50.
4.
Okay. So that is 54. How about number 3, RK? 10 times blank equals 70. What is the missing number? Number you multiply by 10 to get
7.
70. Okay. So it's 7. Oh. Number 4. 9 times 9. 9 times 9.
81.
Again?
81.
Okay. 81. Good job. Okay. On number 5. 8 times blank equals 48. What's the missing number? Number 5. What's the missing number?
6.
Okay. Very good. That is 6. Number 6. 3 times blank equals 15. What is the missing number? Again?
5.
Okay. 5. Number 7. Okay. 8 times blank equals 24. Number 7.
3.
Okay. That is 3. Number 8. Blank times 8 equals 64. Number 8.
8.
Again? 8? Is it 8?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 times 8 equals 64. Oh, very good. Okay. Next, number 9. 7 times blank equals 56. What is the missing number? What number you multiply by 7 to get 56? 7 times,
5.
hmm? Is it
5.
5? Not 5, because 7 times 5 is 35, not 56. What number you multiply by 7?
7.
Mm-hmm. 7 times 7 is 49. Oh, it's not 56. So higher than 7. What's your answer? Number 9?
8.
That is 8. 7 times 8 equals 56. So let's have number 10. 10 times 5. Uh, it is easy. Okay, 10 times 5.
50.
Oh, very good. 50. Next, number 11. Blank times 8 equals 32. What number you multiply by 8 to get 32? The product.
4.
Very good. That is 4. Next, number 12. 10 times blank equals 90.
9.
Very good. That is 9. Okay, number 13. Number 13. Blank times 8 equals 80. What is the missing number? Number 13. Or you multiply by 8 to get 80.
Eight.
Again,
No.
what's your answer? Okay. What is the missing number in number 13?
8.
Are you sure is it 8?
No.
No, because the product should be 80. You multiply 8 times 8, the answer is only 64.
How about 9?
How about 9? 9 times 8 equals 72.
12.
Mm-hmm.
No. 10.
Okay, look at the product. There's 0 in the product. So it is multiplied by 10. Before we continue number 14 and the rest of the numbers, so let's have 3-minute break. Okay? I'll see you after 3 minutes. Okay. Bye for now. See
Goodbye.
you. Okay.